Hello everyone and welcome to this episode of Double Linked List with Python programming. In this episode we are going to see how to reverse a double linked list, and I have already written a couple of lines for the function that is going to take care of this task. So this is def, reverse and self, and I created two temporary variables where temp equals to none and current equals to self.head. So this current is going to have the head pointer. Now let us see how we can do it while current. So while current is not none, so I am just like implying it explicitly. It means current is not none. Temp equals to current dot prev. So current dot previous equals to current dot next. Current dot next equals to temp. So this is classic thing for swapping any two things. Okay, so this is the classic piece of code where we are swapping two different values. So the current.prev, we are assigning it to the temp node, and then to current.prev, we are assigning current.next, and current.next is again assigned to temp. So we are actually swapping the links here, and then we are going to the next link saying current dot equals to current dot prev. So again, let me tell you, we are just swapping current dot prev and current dot next in these three lines of code. So if you are familiar with any sort of programming with C, C++ or any programming languages, this is how we can swap two numbers or two variables. We actually take a third variable where we are assigning the value of the first variable, then first variable is assigned the value of the second variable, then again second variable is assigned to the value of the temporary variable, and here we are going to the next node. That's it. So we have already swapped and done, and finally we are going to check for the empty list and list only with one node. If temp is not none, this means that self dot head equals to temp dot prev, and this is how we can go ahead and reverse a doubly linked list. We have already written a routine, similar routine for singly linked list, and we are now writing the same routine for doubly linked list, and the logic is very simple. We are just interchanging the positions of the pointers. Now let us go ahead and execute this, and let's execute this one also, and let us print the list. And here we have the forward traversal and reverse traversal, and now let us reverse it. Okay, and after reversing it, we are going to print it again, list dot reverse, and we are not going to pass any argument. Let's execute it, and yes. So you can see here the difference between outputs. So here forward traversal was 712649, and here it was 946217. So whatever was the forward traversal, it became reverse traversal, and the reverse traversal became forward traversal. It means that the doubly linked list has been reversed. So this is how we can reverse a doubly linked list. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Do let me know if you want me to improve anything in the coding style or the way I deliver the sessions. Thanks a lot once again, and I will see you in the next episode.